My friends say me, my friends said me. You need to stop saying that. Huge grammar and pronunciation mistakes. I'm going to show you the differences between say and tell. And some practice, some exercises at the end of the video. So let's crack on. Say and tell are mostly followed by three things. Let's do first say. Say focuses on the message. Tell, on the contrary, focuses on the recipient of the message. Say can be followed by three things, mostly. Number one, say something. For example, say good morning, say goodbye, say hello, say thank you. By the way, the pronunciation of say in the past, it is not said, it is said. She said goodbye. She said hello. Number two, say plus that plus another sentence or another clause. For example, he said that she hadn't finished the project on time. Or she said that he hadn't told her anything about the project. Number three, this one is a bit more complicated, so pay attention. If you want to mention the recipient, there are two ways to do so. Number one, you say the recipient first and then you say that plus a sentence. For example, she said to me that she wasn't happy at work. And option number two, you say something to the recipient. For example, she said good morning to me. She said good morning to everybody. It is time next to talk about tell. The most important thing to remember is that with tell, you have to incorporate the recipient right after the verb. I mean, tell me, tell Peter, tell anyone. And this is because tell focuses on the recipient of the message. Remember, say focuses on the message. Tell focuses on the recipient of the message. Number one, tell someone to do something. For example, she told me to go out. My boss told me to shut up during the meeting. Number two, tell someone that in a sentence. For example, my boss told me that I wasn't doing a good job. I told my boss that I wasn't happy with him. And finally, number three. In this case, it's the only case when you don't have to mention the recipient after tell. So what you have is tell a lie, tell the truth, tell a story, tell a joke. For example, she wasn't telling the truth. I am not good at telling jokes. She is very good at telling lies. You need to practice telling stories. Let's do some practice. Can you complete the following sentences using say or tell? Please tell me what time the meeting starts. He said that he would be late due to traffic. They said thank you for the generous gift. The teacher told the students to be quiet during the exam. She said goodbye and left the room. How many did you get right? If you like this video and you want more like this, don't forget to follow. And if you have any comments, please do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section. Until next video, have a great time.